Fellow NQTs, here's my opinion of the book The Brave Bird.
Really good because it's actually telling you you can never give up, and whenever you do something and it's really hard, there's always a solution that can help you get through the problem.
My favourite page is when the spooky people came.
It told you some bad things, and then you can stand up and say, no, I'm not like that. You can see. If you get along, soon you will get out.
Okay, when the bird brave.
This book is extremely inspiring. I read it to my son actually. I think it really encourages children to overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams irrespective of their situation or their circumstance or the restrictions that are being placed on them, especially the way the overall messaging is that you can break free. You can break free of your doubts. You can break free of your fears. You can break free of all your hesitations. I love it.